Let me tell you the list of Apple devices that will receive Apple Intelligence. Remember that Apple Intelligence is the term Apple is using to refer to everything related to artificial intelligence. In their most recent event, they highlighted some of the features it will include, but they did not mention the list of devices. So the Site 95 Max has taken on the task of compiling the list of devices that will have support. And if you have a slightly older iPhone, say goodbye to this update as it will only come to the iPhone 15 Pro, obviously with the Max model, and onwards. So the entire new iPhone 16 series should support this, but not even the base model iPhone 15, nor the iPhone 15 Plus will receive this update, let alone the entire iPhone 14 series, the entire iPhone 13 series, or any of those. In the case of iPads, if you have an iPad with an M series processor, it will be compatible. For example, this includes the iPad Air with the M processor, as well as the iPad Pro versions with the M processor. The same applies to Macs. If you have a Mac with an Apple M processor, you will receive these updates. This includes the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, iMac, and Mac Studio, as well as the Mac Pro with the M processor. So in general, if you have a device with an Apple M processor, it will receive the update, and in the case of iPhone, you need to have the Apple Bionic or later. Therefore, not many devices will be able to receive this update. It is probably due to processor limitations, as they evidently need to have a sufficiently powerful NPU to run all these artificial intelligence models directly on the device.